More reactions, this time a direct one coming from the BJP on what Omar Abdullah has said. Minister of State Ravneet Singh Bittu, a recent convert from Congress to the BJP, has said that Omar Abdullah seems to be fed up of Rahul Gandhi. Listen into what else did he have to say.
पहले आज जो उमर अब्दुल्ला जी ने कहा है उनको सुन लें। उन्होंने उमर अब्दुल्ला ने ये कहा है जो हमारा अलायंस था वो भी इनसे खुश नहीं है। भाई जो जम्मू की हमने इनको सीटें दी थी वहां पे ना इन्होंने कैंपेन की है, ना राहुल गांधी वहां पे पहुंचे हैं, तो जो इनको जिम्मेवारी सौंपी गई थी वहां गए नहीं, और यहां वादियां में ठंडी हवा लेने के लिए जहां इनके कोई कैंडिडेट भी नहीं है वहां पे ये सैर करने जरूर इलेक्शन में गए हैं। उनको जवाब दे, उन्होंने आज राहुल गांधी को रिजेक्ट कर दिया है।
Akanksha, who has been tracking all the electoral developments in Jammu and Kashmir, is now joining us live. Akanksha, what is the heartache that is reflecting in Omar Abdullah's statements? Is it about the dissent over the seat sharing arrangements that is now coming to fore? Omar Abdullah probably considers it a waste of seats that were given to the Congress party, even though it's not campaigning properly?
Well, you see, there seems to be a rift between National Conference and the Congress party with the comment of Omar Abdullah that Rahul Gandhi should focus more on Jammu region. Remember, ever since the campaigning has started, Rahul Gandhi firstly went to Ramban, then he went to Anantnag, then to Surankot in Jammu division, then again to Srinagar, and today for the first time he did the campaigning in Jammu city and he addressed the public there. But clearly a clear message that has been sent by the National Conference is that he should focus more on the Jammu division because he's been given more seats there as a part of the alliance agreement between the National Conference as well as the Congress party. But the BJP is now mocking the alliance partner, saying that it appears that Omar Abdullah is now fed up of Rahul Gandhi. On BJP, some BJP leaders are also saying that this shows that National Conference as well as Congress are going to lose in this election. So war words continue over this, but a clear message sent out by Omar Abdullah to Rahul Gandhi today was that he should focus more on Jammu region just ahead of the third phase of the election.
Remember, Jammu is where the real contest is because BJP is going to go all out, pull out all stops to retain its dominance in Jammu region. Thank you, Akanksha, for joining.